So, oh, I can't remember which is which. Hi guys, so today we have I just hit myself in the face. We have two Huda Beauty mystery boxes that my sister bought. She's already looked inside, but I've told her not to tell me what is in them, and we are going to see what's inside. So, oh, I can't remember which is which. Which yours have you? That's the one. Okay. So one was, how much was this one? £33, and it has 5 items inside, and the other one was 55. So let's have a look inside the first box. Oh, what? What do you mean there's no left? So you can't buy them? Oh. I'm gonna open it. There's a cute little bag inside. I'm gonna get rid of the box. So you get a Huda Beauty bag. Are you laughing at me? Good. Stop it! And it all comes inside a little. So let's see. It's we'll take out the little cards first, and then we'll look. Oh wait, no, that's a small card. So they give you a little card. It's pink. It's cute. I don't want that. So first they give us a Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. It's just a sample. Will you stop taking selfies while I'm trying to concentrate? It's supposed to give you a healthy glow, retexturize, brighten, and even your skin tone. Okay, I'm going to take everything out and then I'll put it back in when I'm done. This is really cute, look. It's got little heart-shaped bubble wrap. Oh, you can't see. Put that back in there. You make me way too awkward, I'll be honest. So next, in the little thing, we have this. Do you have this palette? Can I swatch it?
I don't have that palette.
Can I swatch it? Can I swatch it on your arm? You can leave my video. So next we have the Ruby Obsessions Huda palette. This is actually my birthstone, so we already have the topaz one, but look at how pretty. It's magnetic. You've ruined the way my video looks. Thank you. Would you like to swatch them first? So you have these pretty colours. Should we swatch a couple? Should we swatch a glitter and a matte? Oh. I'll swatch this. Oh. Don't laugh at me. My finger's turned pink now. I really like that. There's a really cute brown shade as well. And it's magnetic. Up next we have another palette. This is the Huda Beauty 3-dimensional highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. Have you got this? Are you keeping it? I have to check whether she's got duplicates or not, as to whether I can touch it or not. Look at the package. She likes this. This is going on her skin. Would you like it now?
No, you can.
I mean, you can swatch it and you can show your face to the camera. Oh. It didn't get that on camera because I'm too low down. You get a lovely picture of her face. My sister's pinching it. So you have the shade Barbados, which is Prep. I can't see. Then you set it with Maldives. Sculpt with Aruba, and flush with Bora Bora. Now my sister's going to use it. I'm not going to swatch it. You've swatched it?
No,
Where do you want me to swatch it? Yeah. Which one should we swatch?
show me.
Let's do Bora Bora. Oh, maybe I need a brush to do it.
Are you still in it?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, what's she got? Oh, what's she got?
The darker ones are really nice.
Is this the palette you guys have?
No, I'm keeping this.
I mean, I choose them as eyeshadows because they're not the highlights. They're a bit dark. Just gonna use it as a highlight. They're not lipsticks, they're eyeshadows. Yeah. They're pretty, aren't they? I mean, is it better on a brush though?
We'll find out. She's doing it now.
Yeah. Next we have two liquid lipsticks. This is the Demi Matte and this is the liquid matte. Do we have any liquid matte ones? We've only got Demi Matte, haven't we?
Yeah, I just got Demi Matte.
We've only got Demi Matte. This looks really nice. You don't have this shade. You have this shade.
I think I do. I'm gonna cut her out of it, aren't you?
Mostly. Sometimes I leave her in because she says some funny stuff and it's really entertaining. So I just leave her in. She'll come in and she'll be like, you never guess what your brother's done. And I'm like, oh, what's he done? So we have the shade Day Slayer. We already have this shade and I'll swatch it for you. And it looks like that.
Nice stick on your lips.
Because I've got lip balm on. So we will be selling this. Are we selling it on Depop?
Yeah.
We'll be selling this on my Depop, which will be, my name will be linked below, where you can buy clothes and stuff that I haven't worn or have worn once. This will be on there.
She's selling
So-
that now.
No, because we ain't got this one. So the liquid matte one is in the shade Trophy Wife, and this is a long-lasting and comfortable matte lipstick. Pull that back in there while I'm reading it. Ugh. With no transfer.
No, I bet.
No.
That's upside down. I just put it back in upside down. It's fine. It feels nicer than the other packaging. I have to remember to hold my hands higher because I'm like down here and I can't see under it. Such a nice sound. You don't like it when I do that, do you? If you didn't swear I could keep it in. We'll see how that dries. I'll come back to that. I took that out of that box and that. So that is the first box. Gone! And the next box. Oh, that looks good! Oh.
Another bag.
Oh. One of the items has fallen out. It hasn't actually, my sister already knows what's in these. She just didn't tell me and she's already used this. So we'll start with this, which is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. My sister is wearing it.
You're not lying, Ed.
What does it look like? Oh,
Don't
very
squeeze.
fancy. I'm not going to squeeze. Oh. So we get another card. Another silly thing. Oh no, I just dropped something. Thank you.
Ah,
So,
that's the one you're selling.
We've got this palette. I'm going to leave it in the packaging because we actually have it so I can swatch it for you guys. So it looks like this. My sister is actually wearing it today. Would you like to show your...
I've only got one eye strip on, so get a different one out.
I just stuck.
Oh, shouldn't have known.
She's killed one eye strip.
It looks like this. So we're going to swatch this yellow because...
Looks amazing.
Is it really good?
It's orange.
Look at that yellow. What other colour should we swatch?
A sparkle.
Which one? I'm not sure. My finger in there.
I'm not sure.
No, not pigmented.
I just put it in a couple of them.
Oh, I wanted this one.
Wow, I've got it now.
Isn't the only one more left? The green one.
Blue.
Amethyst. This is my mum's birthstone. No, it's not. You're Garnet, not Ruby.
Get a jug on.
I've still got.
She would if you decide to leave her alone.
I know.
This is high at the ceiling. Come on.
Stop. If this video is rubbish, it's because my mum's distracting me.
Come on.
So now we have this palette. It's the Amethyst palette. We don't have this one. Can I swatch it? Can't open it. Oh, and look, it has lots of purples and it reminds me of Mal from Descendants. Let's swatch a couple. I'm gonna swatch this light
Don't you dare come
shade here.
I don't know where your airbrush is.
Oh, it's there. It looks like this. And then, oh, there's shimmers and glitters in here, so I'm gonna swatch the glitter. Which is this one? That one. That one. I'll swatch that one as well. This is the glitter. I'm gonna swatch this baby pink one. Abby, that's really pretty. It's like a yellow and pink.
It's an extra, that one.
Oh! So the next palette we got is the Desert Dust palette. Again, we have this palette, so I'll show you the swatches of it if you'd like. I've not really swatched this palette because I'm not usually allowed to touch them. This will be for sale on Depop. Oh. Ooh. This colour looks like the one in the other palette, so we're gonna put that underneath. It's very similar, it's just not as yellow. Cosmo. Let's try Cosmo. I don't like the texture of these.
You do that. You do that.
Oh, I think you meant to wear glitter glue that. I would do makeup looks with these, but I'm scared of breaking them. Right, so last we have two liquid lipsticks, and they are both Demi Matte. This one is in the shade Chica. Oh, see, these ones are sealed. Are these a different collection?
Yeah.
So this is the shade Chica. Don't we have this shade? Shira.
Got run out of space on that one.
No, we haven't. That's Shira.
Should I take that?
I can confirm that the matte lipstick does in fact transfer while it is still wet. And the last shade is Catwalk Killer. I mean, this is what it looks like on.
You wish.
Does mommy want to try it on? Oh, it's very dark. It's very
You put me to spread it on. And spread it plain.
I don't like it.
Oh, no, that's too good.
And comment down below any other video ideas. Mum, stop looking at me. Stop.
Smile.
Stop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of any other video ideas you think I should do. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.